Okay folks, in this video I want to show you how to show different recipe card templates for users that are logged in and logged out. If you're new to WordPress Recipe Maker, I will just explain what a recipe card is. The card is this part that starts at the image here, and then we have the heading, the name of the recipe and the description, and we can edit the blocks. We can move all this information around and create different designs, and we have the equipment and the ingredients, and we can change the boxes and all the colors and the information that's down here in the footer. So we're going to display different layouts for logged in and logged out users. And the thing is, now you might say to yourself, why do we want this? Well, the thing is, if we're running a membership site where people have to be logged in to access the recipes, what we can do is we could show one version of the recipe card to our general site visitors, and then explain to them that if they sign up for our free or paid membership, that they get a better recipe card with more information. An example would be, I saw recently a person working in wellness over in America, and what they did was they have the nutrition section in the recipe card, but the nutritional information for recipes is only available to paying members. So that was quite clever what they're doing. So when you visit the site, you can see the recipes, but you're not getting the nutritional information. So if you were doing keto or something like that, you could say to people, okay, if you pay me a little bit of money every week, every month, whatever, I'm going to give you more information, more of a service. You know, and what I'm seeing as well is that people, the sites that are doing well, are giving people more than recipes in the membership as well. That, you know, that's a tough market, just general recipes. You know, like people are selling weekly coaching calls over Zoom and classes and stuff along with the recipes. Like, so they're doing yoga classes along with meal plans, weekly meal plans, stuff like that is one I'm familiar with. So anyway, enough about all that. We want to go into our website admin. We want to go into WordPress Recipe Maker. We want to go to settings, and now we want to find a feature that, there we go. I think that's it there now. So what we have here, where is that, folks? Is it there for food that's default recipe template? And you see, we have default template to use for how-to instructions and default template to use for other no metadata recipes on the website. It is here, folks. It's down here somewhere. So you can change the templates for printing and everything. Recipe snippets, custom style. Oh, sure, it's down in recipe collections, media, star ratings, adjustable servings, social sharing, Pinterest, private notes, links, ingredients, where duty. Recipe submission form, recipe collections. Now, where is it? There it is. Here it is in collections. It's right down there. Okay, that it's recipe template to show for the collections. That's it. So recipe collection template for logged in users. So what I'm going to do is the boxes one there, because I currently have them set actually as the exact same. So just to the template that we're using. I'm going to discuss in the next video how to edit templates. I'll get to that. I'm going to leave that in a separate video. I just wanted to quickly show the difference between logged in and logged out templates. So there it is, the default recipe to use for the, oh no, that's for the preview. There it is, default recipe template. So food recipe template. So logged out recipe card, I have it called so that I know what it is. So I want to, that's saved. So it should be different now here, I think, shouldn't it? Yeah, we can see that. So that's in our recipe box. When we go into our hummus recipe, and there it is, folks. It's totally different, you know. So, and it's a very different layout, because when we go back to the recipe index, and this is our normal recipes, and there you can see we have this recipe card with the save to recipe box called to action. So you can very clearly like see the difference there, folks, and the usefulness of it, like, you know, so that we can show a lot more nutritional data and everything in the logged in card and stuff. So, you know, so that's all there is to that, folks. Just to recap there, the default recipe template, food recipe template, that's the name of it. When you click there, all the available templates will come in the drop down there. So you have the recipe templates that come with the plugin, and then you have the ones I've created, which we'll do in the next video. And I've called them catered websites, how to template and other things. So, and I will actually give you those templates as well. They're included with the free course, and they're free. There's no charge for those. It'll help people get started with this. So as you remember there, recipe submissions, recipe collections, and the template option is appearance. Was it in appearance, folks? Recipe template, collections, recipe template to show their boxes. Yeah, so we can change it. So that's it, folks. Okay, see you in the next video.